An FIR has been filed against MP Congress Chief Jitu Patwari, Mukesh Naik and others for protesting outside Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan's house without permission. Mukesh Naik reacted strongly, saying Shivraj made a big mistake and vowed to expose his real face layer by layer like peeling an onion. He said this is not a threat but a warning to improve political standards. This FIR has increased political tension in Madhya Pradesh, highlighting rising conflict between Congress and ruling BJP leaders in the state. A video from the Mosataria village shows Congress MLA Siddharth Kushwaha allegedly telling a victim's uncle to eat filth next time. The BJP called it an insult to the OBC community. Kushwaha denied this, saying the video was edited and claimed he told the man, "Don't be afraid, we are with you." This controversy has revived caste tension in Madhya Pradesh politics, raising concern about community harmony. The dispute remains unresolved, with political parties taking opposing stands on the sensitive issues. The Gwalior High Court upheld the caste certificate of Morena Mayor Sharda Rajendra Prasad Solanki. The court rejected a review petition by BJP leader Meena Mukesh Jadhav confirming the certificate validity after a high-level verification. This ruling ends month of legal challenges against Solanki's election based on caste claims. The judgment brings relief to the Morena mayor and closes a long political and legal dispute about her caste status, reaffirming the authority of the court and the verification process. Madhya Pradesh High Court is hearing a case on government job promotion and reservation policy. The state government said new policy only applies to promotion made after 2016. Promotion before 2016 will follow old rules. This case is politically sensitive, with debates over reservation fairness ongoing. The court is expected to give its judgment soon. Issue reflect the continuing demand for clarity and fair treatment of government employees regarding promotions and reservation rights in Madhya Pradesh. Justice Atul Sridharan of Madhya Pradesh High Court, who took suo motu notice of cases involving Minister Vijay Shah's remarks and a caste-related incident in Damoh, has been transferred to Allahabad High Court. During hearings, he warned caste pride could divide Hindu and weaken them in 150 years. His transfer has attracted attention and debate over judicial independence and sensitive social matters in the state, raising questions about how such cases are handled in Madhya Pradesh legal and political systems. Indore police detained transgender leader Sapna Guru in connection with a poisoning incident where 24 transgender individuals consumed poison after a dispute. Sapna associate remained missing. Police said Sapna's group had long harassed the victim, leading to this tragic event. All poisoned persons were hospitalized and are now out of danger. The police continued their investigation to uncover more details and arrest other accused persons. The case highlights tension within the transgender community in Indore and demands for better protection and support. At Kolaras Community Health Center in Shivpuri, a hospital dresser upset over unpaid salary entered the BMO's cabin with a gun, threatening staff and patients. He roamed the hospital for 30 minutes, creating fear. The incident was caught on CCTV and has gone viral, raising serious security concern in the hospital. No one was hurt. Police have launched an investigation and are working to improve hospital safety. The event has sparked calls for better security measures in health centers across the district. A 5-year-old girl kidnapped near a temple in Bhopal's Habibganj was found injured near ISBT Govindpura early Thursday morning. She had face and head wounds but is now safe and receiving hospital care. Police had conducted a massive night search after the kidnapping report. The accused escaped during the search and remains at large. Authorities are reviewing CCTV footage and continuing effort to catch the kidnapper and ensure the child safety, raising public concern over child security in the city. Temperatures in Bhopal, Indore and Sagar division have dropped below 17 degrees Celsius, bringing cool nights to Madhya Pradesh. Light rain and clouds are forecasted for 9 southern districts including Khargone and Betul. Despite the end of the monsoon, rainy weather continues. Daytime temperatures reach around 29 degrees Celsius under cloudy sky with occasional showers. The weather department says these conditions signal the early arrival of winter, offering relief from warmer days. Residents are advised to prepare for cooler weather and possible rain in the coming days.